ఇక్కడ ఈ వీడియోలో ఒక విదేశీయుడు హిందూ ధర్మాన్ని ఆధారంగా చేసుకుని ఇతర మతాలన్నీ ఎలా పుట్టుకొచ్చాయో చెప్తున్నాడు చూడండి.
Hinduism gave the world Christianity and Judaism. Judaism and Christianity came from India.
What are the connections between Christianity and the Hindu faith?
Hindu faith is the mother of Christianity. You would not have Christianity if it were not for the Hindus. The Hindus gave birth to Christianity.
What about Abraham and Sarah?
There was no Abraham. Abraham never existed. There was nobody ever named Abraham. There was a religious belief system in India called Brahman. And you put an A in front of Brahmins, it becomes Abram. And that was the name of Abraham before he changed his name to Abraham. It's Abram. And Abram comes from the Brahmin religion of India. And in the Brahmin religion, you have a goddess. The goddess name in India was called Saraswati. So you have Abraham and Sarah, or Abraham and Sarah. There was no Abraham. There's Abraham and Saraswati. So when you hear the different religions say we're Abrahamic religion, like the Muslims, Jews are Abrahamic religion, there was no Abraham. Never existed.
విన్నారు కదా, అందుకే విదేశీయులు మన సనాతన ధర్మంలోకి మారుతుంటే మన దేశంలో ఏం జరుగుతుందో మీరు ఆలోచించండి.